Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a virtual event with Hopin, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Hopin account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button on your dashboard. Choose the type of event you want to host: conference, expo, or webinar. Fill in the event details such as the title, date, and time of the event. Select the event format, which can be either live or pre-recorded. Next, customize your event's agenda by adding sessions, speakers, and networking opportunities. To add sessions, click on the Sessions tab and hit the Add Session button. Enter the session title, description, and speaker information. Set the session start time and duration to keep your schedule organized. Repeat this process for as many sessions as you need throughout your event. Now, navigate to the Speakers tab to invite your speakers. Click Invite Speaker and enter their email addresses. They will receive an invitation to join your event directly. After that, go to the Tickets section to set up ticketing options. You can offer free or paid ticket options depending on your event needs. Customize your registration form to gather attendee information. Next, head to the Design tab to personalize your event's branding. Upload your event logo and choose a color scheme that aligns with your brand. Preview your event to check all details and designs are in place. Once everything looks good, click on the Publish button to make your event live. Share your event link through email, social media, or your website to attract attendees. As the event date approaches, engage with your audience through reminders and updates. On the event day, log in early to prepare and ensure all technical aspects are functioning. Finally, welcome your attendees and guide them through the event experience. Monitor the chat and Q&A sections to enhance engagement and interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.